In this video, I will be sharing very simple and practical ways in which you can rank your book on Amazon KDP. How can you ensure that your book is ranking, that your book is appearing on such results? So, the first one is using the right keywords. And I have talked about keywords severally, and even there is a video talking about keywords. You can watch it. So when you're using the keywords, you're thinking as a buyer. When a buyer is looking for a book, what are they going to type? What are they going to search for? So ensure you use the right keyword in your title, in your subtitle, and in the KDP keyword boxes. For example, if you've written a book about anxiety, you can use words like anxiety relief, mental health guide, overcoming fear, and many others. The second one is choosing the right categories for your book. When you're uploading your book on Amazon KDP, make sure that you select the best categories that fit your book, your topic on your book, so that your book can appear in the relevant searches. After publishing, you can contact Amazon KDP and ask them to add your book to 10 categories. You can message them through help. Another one is, of course, using a great cover, and you can use tools like Canva, or even hire someone on Fiverr. Make it professional and let it match your book's topic. Write a short and clear description about your book and start with an attention-grabbing line. Tell readers what your book is about and how it helps them bring value, and also add a call to action. Get 2 to 5 reviews fast, and you can ask your friends, family, or followers to review your book and to leave an honest review. Promote your book on different social medias, and of course include a call to action, which is buy and review. You can start by using a low price for the start, then later after a few sales you can increase your price. Ensure you run Amazon ads. It is optional, but it's also powerful. Start with a small budget, then increase later. Also, finally, monitor your sales and update. And if you realize you've done all that and you're not getting the sales, change your title and keywords, improve your cover, and also update your description. Thank you for watching, and if you're watching without having subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below, which is free of charge.